Okay. Where are we?
Okay, we're up here at William F. Miles Trailhead. We're going to try to go all the way down here to Broad Run Park, which I think is about 20 miles.
Oh.
So we'll see.
Starting out downhill.
Yeah, into the wind.
What's the date? March the 10th or 11th?
The 11th.
March 11th. Should be 73 today in Louisville.
Okay, we have a guy with the dog up
Oh, the guy with the dog. Okay. Right there. Hello. Two bikes coming up. Two bikes. Thank you. You know, this is always just a great trail. I think one of the better ones around.
Yeah.
I don't think a lot of people know about it. Maybe the people in Louisville.
Yeah, there's a lot of cars right here. This is probably where it continues on.
Another loop-de-loop. So we have e-bikes. Don't think we need it. Well, we are in Kentucky. Oh, okay. Currently at Pope Lick Park, not too far into the ride, only about 5.5 miles. And Nancy found a map. She's all set. Yeah. Wow.
Big map of it.
Jiminy. Oh yeah, Pope Lick Park.
We're at Pope Lick. Whoops.
We would be. Oh, who knows?
I remember we went by Distillery Bend.
Yeah, we're down there somewhere.
I think we're
not too far. What we got? They're gonna hear us and shut up. See, they hear me talking. They're getting less and less. That's a pretty dog. Pretty dog. Oh, that's a good looking dog. Nice dog. She has earbuds on. Dog doesn't have earbuds.
No.
Another reason e-bikes were built. The Ascent, they call this. Overlooking Floyd's Fork, the river or creek, whatever they call them in Kentucky. Have you figured out where we're at on this thing?
We are down.
Where did we start? Where did we start?
We started way up here.
Okay.
And we've come all the way down, and we are in the Turkey Run Park area, and I think we're right in here.
Okay, then where are we going?
We're going to go all the way to here. We've only gone 12 miles, I think.
Oh, but there's some really cool stuff coming up.
Yes, Sky Meadow, I think, is way up high.
Yeah, remember there's one that you've got just an incredible view over.
Yeah. Oh, here's the Brown Foreman Silo Center.
Oh, yeah. Hey, are you going to climb the silo?
Nope.
Why not?
My eyes are watering because it's windy.
I didn't know if you were going to climb the silo.
No, I'm not climbing the silo.
Okay.
It's not my bike. This is my bike.
Yeah.
I get to drink.
Now you're going to the top, right?
Nope.
Using the outside ladder?
Nope. Not.
Hey, listen. I think they know we're here.
Yeah.
12 noon. Monday.
Tornado test.
Okay, where we at now? Oh, we don't have a map.
At
Don't have a-
Silo Run Park, or
Oh,
Silo something.
Yeah.
Has nice restrooms. Has a nice silo you can go up.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll look up there, but I'm not going up.
About 18.2.
I got 18.16.
And we're I don't know where we're at here.
We are at the Big Vista Overlook. See the sign?
Oh, is there a sign?
There is the silo that we were
Oh,
at.
let's head down there and take a look. Oh yeah, there's a silo way back there. Way back there.
Look how green their fields look already.
A lot greener in Indiana.
Yeah, for sure. Picture. Camera here. Oops.
We made it.
We made it to this end. Now we have to turn around and go back it went 19.32 miles.
So it's about a 20-mile ride.
Yeah.
We started, well, this doesn't show the whole map. We're down here at the very bottom. I don't know if that's got the whole map on the other side. And it does, so we'll go over that again. We started up here and we went through all these parks. All these parks are connected down to Broad Run Park, and we are now turning around. On there.
I've gone 35.8.
Okay. Couple more.
Yeah.
Okay, what happened?
Well, we did the whole thing.
Did the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole parkland's part of the
It was
Louisville Loop.
2,500 feet of climb.
Yeah, we felt it.
Yeah. It's a good trail.
It's a great trail.